We're up for another fun day on the water. We kick our day off in the authentic Mexican village of Barra de Porto with my boy Paco to go sea kayaking, followed by swimming with dolphins.
Okay, we'll be riding this beautiful lagoon, which is about 40 miles long. As you can see, it's surrounded by mangroves. And well, we will see everything regarding the ecological of Zihuatanejo Ixtapa. Okay?
Let's get the show on the road.
Let's go. Okay. This is not a sea, yeah?
It's a very peaceful lagoon.
It's a very peaceful place. And if you see on the mangroves, you know, branches, all that.
Are these all mango trees?
Yeah, they're all mangrove trees.
This is a good workout.
Yeah, it's good
for the upper body. Good way to kick off the day.
We're gonna be looking like Sylvester Stallone 20 years ago. This place has about 150 families, okay? And they all make a living out of the fishing.
All of them?
Okay, all of them.
Wow.
They supply a lot of the fish to Ixtapa and Zihuatanejo. Okay.
It's a cute little village. I mean, this is authentic Mexican village, this area.
It is. If anybody would like to have the chance to see the real Mexico, this is one of the places where they must come if they ever have the chance to come to Ixtapa. So if you ever want to go back to the primitive life of Mexico, this is the place.
That's great. Father can go out with his sons and daughters, and mom's there too. I think my favorite part of this morning is seeing all the locals out doing their thing, you know? I think we all, especially in our busy lives, aspire to a simple life like this.
That's why we want to invite all the people to come to this place.
Now they know who to hook up with. Paco knows it all. Now it's time to swim with the dolphins with Aiden and Emma. Let's hop in.
Okay, this is the mini motorcycle. Check it out. And they have some kind of whistle. Okay, do you want to meet a superstar? Chocho Alberto. He's a movie star.
What's up, Jojo? Well, I danced with the dolphin. Now it's time to ride her belly.
Okay, guys, now say goodbye.
Bye-bye.
Bye.